Hey, hello guys. So hello guys. So akwai NASDAQ the gold. Muka kalli gold zamu ga gold. It has been accumulating for a very long period of time. Muka kalli weekly zamu ga wannan. Even though the order flow yanzu is bullish, we're getting gold on a daily or short-term trade bias, intraday or short-term trade bias. Zakaga is somehow difficult for the first few weeks. Still, we are aiming to see market coming to the all-time high, but there is a lot that is going on gold in Mukakalla. Market stayed in this range for a very long period of time. Now, the current range that I'm gani shine this, and then this one. Wanda yake da sub-range a cikin shi, muna da wannan, za mu ce this and this. Wannan short-term high and short-term low, and za mu ga muna da intermediate short-term highs, and kasuwan ya ƙi zo ya taking wannan. And intermediate short-term lows, kasuwan bai zo ya taking wannan sell side din ba. So honestly speaking, anytime price yake idin baka wannan buy din na 50-50 bias, yeah, order flow is bullish, but price signature is giving you bullish and bearish bias, especially now in ka kalli price ne an ɗauki wannan intermediate short term high relative equal highs, price ya taho kamar za a zo nan low din, an take wannan intermediate short term low, so wani zai kalli na a matsayin bullish market, sannan wani zai kalli na a matsayin bearish market considering wannan highs da aka yi take. Wani zai ce muna da inversion, wani zai ce an ɗauki sell side, muna da wannan high din, muna da fair value gap za a ci gaba da tafiya. So for me, irin wannan condition din honestly yana baka 50-50 bias din is 50-50, which is difficult to determine a bias, and you can see kana da wannan fair value gap din. So all I'm seeing is buy and sell at the same time, which cannot be possible. So in such conditions, I better stay sideline. That is what I do. Either one condition the best thing I do is I stay sideline. In dai ban iya gane mene direction din da price zai yi ba a wannan ranar da nazo zan yi trade, is better ka jira clarity, ka jira sideline, is quite better. So that is exactly what I'm doing. Okay, I'm waiting sideline. I'm not going to trade. You understand? I'm not going to trade, and I would rather go and trade indices. On indices, muka kalli daily, NASDAQ is still bullish. I'm not expecting drop to this level. Kamar da naga wasu da yawa suna expecting. The market has been moving up, going up, and then suddenly sai muka ga ranar Friday an samu wannan drop da ranar CPI, a ranar NFP, ranar Monday muka samu wannan rally ne. Muna da wannan fair value gap ne. So in muka kulle da body da wannan candle, this candle has closed above the fair value gap with body. So what I'm expecting is to see market going off and taking out this high. From the low, zamu ga muna da wannan fair value gap coupled with this inversion, so muna da advanced structure kenan. So I'll expect retracement and then we continue going up. That is based on discretionary idea. So that being said, Zamuga, what is the narrative here? Sell side taking structure, market going back to this order block a cikin New York na jiya, a cikin yau kenan New York, and then Zamuga muna da wa'innan sell side liquidities in this area of liquidity. So it's quite logical mu ci gaba da neman sell. Okay, this is our first presented fair value gap. I'm not even aware. So I will be looking for sell opportunity towards wannan sell side liquidity in a NASDAQ. Na yi missing wannan first presented fair value gap ɗinmu. So I will wait to see another formation na wani fair value gap ɗin. And then or I say I will wait to see another price signature before I can consider taking an entry. But I'm going to SP500. Okay. Let me use the correlation. SP500. So SP500 ba mu samu first presented fair value gap ba, amma mun samu SMT divergence. SP500 ta yi take wannan high ɗin, higher high. NASDAQ ta yi forming lower low. So in muka ga abu haka, NASDAQ ta nuna weakness. Alhamdulillah, SP500 ta nuna strength. So NASDAQ is more suitable to consider for going short. Wannan shine first presented fair value gap. So we can see market coming back to the level again. So in I'm breaking one, more likely we can have inversion, maybe price taking buy side liquidity kafin a samu sell ɗin. We have an inversion here. So I have this fair value gap. So I will take an entry in price ya shiga cikin wannan fair value gap ɗin. So first presented fair value gap ɗinmu za ta zama ita ce inversion. So an yi tagging ɗina a wannan position ɗin. So let's see how far price will deliver. This is no more going to be considered. Yeah, SP 500 tafi. So we are going to have multiple levels on the if price permit, price ID, and we set a break even for partial. Like we have this relatively called highs. So wannan shi ne zai zama inda za ka sa in price ya zo kenan inda za ka sa break even or partial. This. So break even yanzu a nan. Za ka iya sa partial ma in ka ga dama. Bismillah, kawai yana waɗi. So na ɗau partial again. I took another partial. We are approaching the highs. So this is successful trade. Kun ga mun samu ne Judas model a yau. So that is why you don't need to marry a bias. Kun ga abin da nake expecting the farko sell, and then when the conditions are aligning and giving the buy sell setup, then we were able to actually capitalize on that. So a gold kuma kamar da na faɗa based on abin da nake gani, this is what I am seeing on gold. I'm seeing 50-50. The bias is 50-50. If you go back to daily, this is what I see. I see sell and I see buy. So what do you do in the bias increase 50-50 is to stay sideline. So that is that for today's session. Sai mun haɗu a session na gaba. Da akwai recording if somebody want to watch, you watch.